This is pretty rare. I sold something on Mercari. Call. This is a hard platform to sell on. Today I'm... Okay, so mine is $2. I will sell. Okay, we're going to go over what sold this week for me on Depop, eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari with my part-time reselling business. And it was a pretty decent week. I can't wait to share what I sold. First up here on Depop, I sold these Lululemon men's tan shorts, and these I found at the Goodwill bins and took a while to get them listed actually, but once I got them listed, they sold in just 17 days for my full asking price of $26.50. I was very excited to find Lululemon at the Goodwill bins. All right, another Goodwill bins find is this Prana t-shirt. And I just really liked the stripes and the coloring on it. The condition I could tell was still newer. This was a size large. It had a nice scoop neckline, breathable fabric, and I ended up taking an offer from a liker on this for $17. I originally had it listed, I think, for $22, and it did take 68 days to sell. All right, this is pretty rare. I sold something on Mercari. Call. This is a hard platform to sell on. But this is actually a very cool Viking jersey that I found at my local thrift store. And the thing that I liked about this is here you can see on the back of the jersey, it says 9/11, never forget. And it also has the names of all of those who perished on 9/11 on the jersey. It's just a great remembrance piece and touched my heart. I don't know where you were on September 11th, but that was a very impactful day for me. And I know bike jerseys aren't the biggest sellers, but there was something special about this one, and I was pleased that somebody did end up purchasing it from me. It did take 3 months to sell, and a part of me thought it wouldn't sell until September. I actually put a sale up on this item, and it ended up selling for $24.80. I originally had it listed for $36. All right, here we have something that I found at the Goodwill bins and I picked up because of the brand. This is Everlane, and Everlane products are just well made. They're classy, they're classic, and this was 100% organic cotton. It had pockets. I used words like minimalist, log and look, and timeless. It's a t-shirt dress, something that you could definitely wear every day. And surprisingly, when I looked it up, the original retail price of this dress was $128. So this is a very nice dress, a simple dress, something that this buyer can keep in their closet for many years to come. All right, this item is one that I did almost keep for myself, and this is a cozy knit oversized vest in a cream color. It definitely has the patchwork feel. It was a size medium. The brand was American Eagle, which is a popular old mall brand, but this just seemed absolutely timeless to me. I used words like cozy knit, oversized, minimalist, and capsule wardrobe when selling this, and it did sell pretty quickly, just 21 days over on eBay. And I sold this for my full asking price of $27.99. It probably only cost me $2 at the Goodwill bin, so that was a pretty good profit. Here we have another sale on Depop, which I love because there are not fees for selling over on Depop unless you are boosting items. And on this one, I did pay to boost it because it hadn't been selling, but I did list it in winter, so that's not surprising. But this is a really nice Nike dress. It's got the Keep Cool dry fit fabric, super breathable, and a very fun color. These were still up for sale on the Nike website, except for this design was actually sold out. This is a contemporary, up-to-date piece and something that I was really surprised to find in the bins because it was in such good condition and because it was so recently released from Nike. So I was thrilled to get this sold over on Depop in 82 days for my full asking price of $46, which the buyer got a great deal because the original price of this was $119. So you definitely find some good bargains on these reselling sites. Here we have an item that was actually from my daughter's closet. This is an Abercrombie girls size 11-12 button-down tie dress in a really fun navy, white, and pink plaid. And this is just something that she handed me and asked me to sell for her. She handed me a couple things to sell, and the wild thing is that two of those things sold together, and you will see they do not actually go together. They don't match and go together, but I still had the same buyer. The buyer bought this as a bundle on Poshmark. It was a bundle of 3 items. This is made out of 100% cotton, but the lesson in this listing for me was I realized about 2 weeks ago that somehow I accidentally had $24.99 shipping turned on for this dress. And I do not know how that got clicked and how that happened, but luckily I was going through some of my old inventory to check it and see what hadn't sold, see if I needed to lower prices. And as I was digging around, I saw that and I couldn't believe it. So of course it didn't sell, but this did sell 2 weeks after I fixed the shipping to what I typically charge, which is the commercial shipping price. And this did end up selling for less than what I originally had it listed at, which was $22. And this dropped down to $18 in the bundle on Poshmark. Now, the other item in this bundle that was also from my daughter that she handed me on the same night to try to get sold were these fancy silver diamond shoes. And they're little girl shoes, size 3, barely ever worn. Of course, kids grow out of these things and don't always have a lot of reasons to wear dressy shoes. I'm pretty sure my daughter only wore these once or twice, so they were in really good condition. I had purchased these at Macy's and we ended up getting $19 in the bundle for these shoes. And the last item in this Poshmark bundle is also a dress from out of my closet that I have had listed for quite a while. And you can see I don't have very many pictures here and I don't have the best pictures. And that is because I was just learning when I got this originally listed. So this was one that hadn't been selling, but I was going back through to kind of check my ones that hadn't sold. And I was wondering why. I lowered the price on it and I modified a few things. And what's wild is I originally listed it in mid-December. I went back in and modified it about 20 days ago and then it sold. So from the time I modified it to the time it sold was 20 days. And that was really nice to see that sometimes it's not just the item, sometimes it just needs to be reworked to find the right buyer. And so I didn't get as much for this as I would have liked. I originally had this listed for $25, but in the bundle deal, I give my buyers a discount. And so this ended up selling for $16 as part of the bundle deal. And that is all that sold this week in my resale business. If you like following along and seeing what is reselling right now, then please be sure to subscribe and follow my channel. Let me know how your reselling ventures are going as well. I would love to hear your tips and tricks and stories as well. So thanks, and I'll see you next week.